Hey everybody, I'm Stacy Lynn, and today I'm making one of my family's all-time favorite breakfasts. It's so good. It is a grits casserole. It's an easy breakfast casserole that you can prepare 3 days in advance if you want to. It is absolutely delicious. You can freeze it. You can freeze it undone and, do it on the day of a great holiday or anytime that you want it. But anyway, today I am going to be using Ralston Family Farm grits. I have already made several recipes with their new line of grits, and the first one I did was this beautiful light brown rice grits. It's golden, beautiful tasting. It's so nutty, so aromatic. It was so great, and it made the best grit cakes. So look for shrimp and grits cakes on my website. You really need this recipe. I also, this time, am using this because I think it's beautiful. It is going to give me great antioxidants. It is this aromatic purple, red, brown rice. It's just beautiful. I hope you can see that. Do you see how gorgeous that is? Well, anyway, I've got my water boiling to make the grits. And the one thing I love about these is that they make up in 5 to 7 minutes. I absolutely love the fact that that is the case. Beautiful packaging. You can get these at Kroger. You can get them at Whole Foods, Fresh Market, Fresh Time, Publix. And you know what? I'm seeing their rices now even at Costco. Okay, so I've got my water boiling. I've got 3 cups of water boiling right now. I have 1 cup right here of heavy cream. Okay, putting that in. And then I'm going to add a little bit of butter to that, and I'm going to bring it back to a boil. Okay. Go. All right. And so I'm going to bring that back to the boil, and then I'm going to be adding all kinds of great things to this in the end. So I've got some eggs here. Simple ingredients. I've got my spices here. I've got garlic powder. I've got onion powder. I've got salt and pepper. So I've got cheddar cheese to top it with. I have my cheeses here. I have a really good Velveeta here. I got queso. I think that's going to be super good in this. I'm going to be putting sausage in it. And I also have cream cheese, which is going to make it nice and creamy. Okay, it's time to add the grits. So look at how beautiful these grits are. It's going to make this dish so elevated, so elegant. I just want you to see how pretty that is. So I'm adding 2 cups, and this is going to be done. I'm going to cover it, and then I'm going to turn it down to a simmer and let it go for about 5 to 7 minutes. I'm going to give it a stir with a whisk. Okay, and I'm going to also go ahead and stir in the garlic powder and the onion powder and the salt and the pepper. I'm going to let that get nice and incorporated. And then I'm going to let these go, and then I'm going to add everything else. It's going to be so delicious. I'm going to cover it, lower it to a simmer, and wait 5 minutes. All right, we're back, and this casserole looks so good. All right, here I go. In for the kill. Look at how pretty this is, y'all. This is so beautiful. Okay, I'm going to cut into this and put it next to my salad. We're having this for dinner tonight since I'm doing this for you, because I want you to be ready to do this for breakfast or for a dinner or whatever you're doing for the holidays. Or it doesn't have to be for the holidays, but serving it with fruit and biscuits, or to me, a wedge salad and a beautiful roll with panko and garlic and parsley on it. And here is the casserole. Okay. So now I'm going to cut into it, scoop a little bit out, and it's got that sausage and cheesy goodness. Oh man, yeah, that looks great. Look at that. Oh yeah, so good. So I'm going to put that right here next to the salad, next to the roll. This is going to be so scrumptious. So here is my dinner for the night. And I hope you will make yours. And don't forget to go to Kroger or Publix or even Costco. They have the rice. I'm not sure they have the grits. And get your Ralston Rice Grits. And this is the Nature's Blend. I'll talk to you soon. I hope you have a great day. StacyLynnHarris.com for the recipe.